Pushpa, and in this video we will make an dice simulator with a button and an OLED, and this prints the dice like when I press the reset button and roll the dice, it gives me a random number as you can see 1, and it goes away, so we want to click the reset button again and it will work like this. It will give me random, and don't skip the full video so you can make this awesome project. And yeah, now let's go on to the wiring part. For this project we will use an Arduino Uno, the Breadboard project, and an uploading cable to upload the code to the Arduino Uno and give it power supply, and push button with a breadboard, or you can use soldering to indicate as the switch is present, and to jumper wires to connect the push button to the Arduino Uno, and a OLED. The OLED can be any size for you, and we can make this compatible with all OLED. So now let's connect it. Connect the OLED ground to ground like this, and VCC to 5 volts, and the SCL to A5, which is analog 5, and the SDA to A4. Then connect the push button one side ground like this to ground, and the other side to D2. And make sure you connect like this, like parallel, so it will work. Like this you want to connect. Like this you want to connect. If you connect like this, it will just give supply. It will not give supply when the push button is pressed. So keep it parallel. And now let's upload the code by plugging in the uploading cable and plugging in computer, and let's code it up. You can paste the code that I left in the description. And here is our code. And wirehead means the connection. Adafruit GFX. And you want to install this library for the OLED. So install this library, Adafruit GFX library, and also install this Adafruit SSD1306. And button pin is on 2, screen width is 128, and screen height is 64. And you can change it with your OLED and it works fine. Adafruit SSD1306 display, screen width and screen height plus wire -1. Hint button state high. It's always high. And what is setup? We have pin mode, button pin, input pull-up. And button pin is also a input pull-up. Serial begin 9600. Wire begin, and the wire also want to begin. If display is not begin, SSD switch this code and 0 multiplied by 3C, and serial printing OLED not found. And this symbol makes that if it's not working, it will print OLED not found. While true means if it's not, it does not want to say anything. Display clear display means there are no display, no image in the display. Display set text size to 1. If you want to increase your text size, you can increase your text size. And display set text size color white. And for me, it's a blue and yellow OLED, so white works well. Display set cursor 20 to 25. And this gives the text text the position, and display print till press to roll, and it want to print press to roll. Display random speed analog read 0 means it want to read on 0 means the pin connection, and in button state digital read button pin, it also wants to read the button pin if last button state is high and button state is low. Roll dice means it wants to roll the dice. Delay 300 seconds. Last button state button equal to button state means this code helps that if if we press it more times like continuously, it will take only one at a time. Void the void roll dice we have for int equal to 0, I equal to 0, I is lesser than I plus plus. Draw dice face random 1 to 7 means it want to like there are only 1 to 7 number is in the dice, and delay 80 plus 1 10 to show the animation. Int final number is random 1 to 7. Draw dice face. Final number. Display clear. Display draw round red, and this is a dice border. Int CX64 CY32 D1 means the dots auto dot plus int DX and int DY. Display fill circle CX plus DX CY plus DY 3 and white. And switch number we have cases in it. It will like it will show the all numbers like there are six segment in that, so it will show which segment is which. And if you want to upload the code, go to this select other boards and ports and choose your board and port, and go to tools if you don't have your ports shown in the board manager, and go to tools board, and you can install your board in Arduino AVR board. And if you don't have, you can also go to board manager. To upload the code, click this and it will upload the code. Now here I uploaded the code. Now let's see. Where I press the reset button, it's showing me press the button to start. If I press the button, it rolls me a random number like this, and it's totally random like this. It's totally random, and like this you can roll it forever. And yes, it's working. I hope you like my video. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can receive my future videos. And thank